Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Endangered World on Roblox. Your primary mission is to become a dedicated conservationist, working tirelessly to safeguard various endangered species across a sprawling, dynamic environment. You'll embark on an adventure to explore diverse biomes, from dense forests to arid deserts, each home to unique and vulnerable creatures that desperately need your help to survive and thrive. Survival is key in Endangered World. You'll need to gather vital resources such as wood, stone, and various food items from the environment. These resources are crucial for crafting essential tools, building protective shelters, and ensuring your character's well-being. Always keep a close eye on your health, hunger, and thirst meters to stay strong and effective in your conservation efforts. The heart of the game lies in animal rescue and conservation. You will actively seek out and identify numerous endangered animals, each presenting unique challenges. Your tasks include providing critical medical care to injured creatures, offering them necessary food, and constructing secure, natural habitats. Protecting these animals from environmental dangers and poachers is paramount to their survival. As you successfully save animals and restore habitats, you will earn valuable reputation points, marking your progress as a top conservationist. These points allow you to unlock new, challenging areas and acquire more advanced tools to aid your mission. Collaborating with other dedicated players can amplify your impact, enabling you to tackle larger projects and collectively make a significant difference in the endangered world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.